So ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to unbox the new Samsung Q70B 2021 model. This is the latest. Last year you saw us unboxing the Samsung Q70A. So this year Q70B. Yalla, let's go. This is the professional guy. So this is how it looks like in the box. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, okay, now this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's remove it in the box. Let's remove it in the box, baby. Wow. Wow. Okay. No, the other side. Turn it. So the screen has to be down once you open. So we are going to install the handle. So ladies and gentlemen, this model compared to last year seems to be more slimmer compared to the Q70A. And right now we have our professionals who are going to install it. Could you want to say hi to the people? Oh, he's shy. He has refused to appear in the camera.
Hi.
Okay, Mr. Jasil is the professional. And another professional here. Last year, this is new on the channel. He was here last year with us. So today, yalla, let's go. How many screws were there? 4 only? No, then it's coming here. No. Jasil. Total 4. If it's 4, it's coming here. Just like this. So that's how we install it. And just for your information, today's video is recorded in 8K. Don't ask me which kind of camera. This is not I'm not promoting any cameras, but whatever phone or whatever camera I filmed it is filming in 8K. So if you have a 4K phone, sorry, you'll see it in 4K. It will be converted. If you're watching it on 8K, it's gonna be 8K. Okay. Okay. So done. Just 1 minute. Alright. So ladies and gentlemen, we've just changed our minds. We are going to put it on the wall. So it means we'll just remove the stand, then we'll put the holders here. So just keep the space. Hope you're enjoying our channel. And for your information, this TV is coming with the 4 HDMIs, with the HDMI ARC, which will be in number 3. Then the other HDMIs will be there. It will come with the antenna, RAM, and 2 USBs. But Samsung just put it on another level, baby. So it's a little bit slimmer. I'm your boy. Sir. we just changed our minds. We are going to install the TV on the wall. So if you're installing the TV on the wall, depends which bracket you have, but you have what matters is that you have to balance, you know. So we'll have to balance the sizes where it's going to go. We can just, like, if you're going to put, now with this kind of stands we have this, like, the whole stands, but if you're going to install, like, you have, 1 second. Can you, yeah, so we'll put it at the last and balance it. Okay, now bring this. I think this is a little bit big. We have to reduce the pins. Sawa lala. It's big, right? So we have to get some smaller ones. Okay, as you see, today we are done with this thing. That's done. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we've managed to install the brackets. So it's now the moment of truth. Wire, please. Wait, we first put the wire. So this will be our TV. For the moment, we are done, ladies and gentlemen. So we are going to set it up.